संविधान समानता की
माननीय
बात।
श्री एम मलेश बाबू जी।
Honorable Speaker, sir, thanks for giving me an opportunity to participate in the discussion of the glorious journey of 75 years of the Indian Constitution. Sir, as we celebrate the completion of 75 years of our Republic, let us take a moment to reflect on the monumental journey of our Indian Constitution, a document that serves as the bedrock of our democracy, the guardian of our liberties, and the blueprint of our nation's governance. The Indian Constitution, drafted under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and with the contributions of visionaries like
Please let him
Jawaharlal
speak.
Nehru,
I have asked him to
Sardar
speak.
Patel,
He's speaking. Please listen to
and
him.
many others, is the longest written constitution in the world. It represents the aspirations of a diverse and vibrant population. And its
बनीवाल जी आप
enduring
बैठिएगा
relevance
प्लीज, आप बैठिएगा.
is a
Please be
testament of
seated.
its
I have given
robustness
you
and
3
adaptability.
extensions. Please be seated.
One of the greatest strengths of a constitution is its adaptability. Over the past 75 years, it has been amended 106 times to address emerging challenges and changing socio-political realities. These amendments reflect the dynamic nature of our democracy while staying true to its core principles. One of the foremost achievements of the Constitution is its role in establishing and nurturing democracy. For 75 years, India has remained a vibrant democracy, holding free
बनीवाल
and
जी
fair
आप बैठिएगा
elections,
प्लीज. बनीवाल जी आप बैठिएगा.
ensuring peaceful transitions of power and empowering citizens to choose their leaders. The Election Commission established under the Constitution has been pivotal in maintaining the sanctity of the electoral process. The Constitution has been instrumental in addressing historical injustice and promoting social equity. The principles of equality before the law and the abolition of untouchability have been transformative. The reservation system of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and other backward classes has been a significant step towards achieving social justice. Through affirmative actions, law for women's rights, and a focus on marginalized communities, vast powers to the village administration,
मलेश बाबू जी एक
the
सेकंड.
Constitution has consistently championed
No.
equality.
Now this is not done.
The integration of
बनीवाल जी please be seated. बनीवाल जी please be seated.
integration of states and the efficient management of linguistic and cultural diversity reflect the success of federalism. The Indian judiciary, led by the Supreme Court, has played a crucial role as the guardian of the Constitution, ensuring checks and balances and thereby upholding constitutional values. Landmark initiatives such as the Green Revolution, economic liberalization, and the recent push towards digital India have their roots in the constitutional vision of the welfare state. The Constitution's federal structure has allowed India to manage its vast diversity by granting autonomy to states while maintaining the unity of the nation. It has ensured that the needs and aspirations of different regions are addressed. Initiatives like Niti Aayog, which has further strengthened the relationships between the center and the states. The One Nation, One Ration Card scheme is a shining example of ensuring uniformity.
बनीवाल जी आपको 4 बार बोल चुके हैं, 4 बार बोल चुके हैं. Kindly be seated.
Under the
Please.
current India government,
please be
several
seated.
transformative initiatives have further advanced this vision.
आप उनके अपमान कर रहे
The
हैं.
Make
वो
in
बोल रहे
India
हैं.
campaign
नहीं आप बैठिएगा. Please go ahead,
has
sir.
revitalized manufacturing. Startup India has encouraged entrepreneurship,
No, it's not
and the
possible.
implementation of the goods and service tax has streamlined the country's economy by creating a unified market. The Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana has empowered millions by providing access to financial services, and the Digital India initiative has made technology accessible to even the remotest corners of the country. During the regime of India government, several landmark decisions and amendments have been made to reflect changing priorities. The abrogation of Article 370 has brought Jammu and Kashmir into the mainstream, while the Citizen Amendments Act reflects a commitment to protecting persecuted minorities. Bold reforms in labor laws and the integration of the new education policy and to align governance with contemporary needs. It is pertinent to mention that the auspicious leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and his decisive actions, welfare initiatives such as the direct benefit transfer mechanisms and fruitful measures to double farmers' incomes, India's international standing and has been elevated through proactive diplomacy and economic reforms and a global initiative since past 10 years. As we commemorate the 75 years of our Constitution, let us pledge to protect and uphold its ideals. Let us remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and the vision of our Constitution makers. While we have much to celebrate, challenges remain. Issues like corruption, poverty, inequality, and regional disparities need continued attention. It is our collective responsibility to uphold the values enshrined in the Constitution and work towards a more just, equitable, and prosperous society. And most importantly, let us all contribute in our unbeatable constitutional ways to building a nation that truly reflects
Thank you,
the
sir.
principles
Thank you.
of
Shri
justice,
Rajkumar
liberty,
Rao
equality,
ji.
and
Shri
fraternity
Rajkumar
for
Rao
the year
ji.
2047. With these words, I
धन्यवाद सभापति महोदय,
I and on
आपने
behalf of-
संविधान की डिबेट पे बोलने का जो अवसर प्रदान